Number 2 is the law of vibration, or law of energy. This law states that everything is made up of energy, and all matter vibrates through light and motion through various frequencies. Since even our thoughts are of energy, we have to vibrate in accordance to those that we desire. It means that the vibrations that we send out will return to us in one form or another. An example is if you want to be financially free or become a millionaire, you tend to look for ways or ideas on how to earn. If you want to feel motivated, you can search for motivational videos, hypnosis, meditation, or read books that can uplift your mood. Since your thoughts are on these matters, more information and related people and events will occur in accordance to your will.